Back in my bag, yo. Conscious. ISO.
Hi, welcome back to the vlog. If you're new here, my name is Marie and I create content around lifestyle and travel. So we are going to Fairview Coffee Estate for a tour and you're coming with me.
On them like we here, we and we Raleigh. This that back in my back flow, we back again so highly. This that back in my back flow, we back to change the climate. This that back in my back flow, we bring the force like Tommy. Back in my back flow. Back in my, yeah, back in my bag, yeah. I'm back in my, yeah, I'm back in my bag, yeah. I'm back in my, this my, back in my bag flow. Back again, yeah, we keep on stacking it, what's happening? Everything in Gucci got me feeling like I'm dapper then. Life has been a movie, yeah, so shout out to the cameraman.
Fairview Coffee Estate, it's in Kiambu. Now, what is included is we are going to do a coffee farm tour. Then after we are done with the coffee farm tour, we are going to be tasting, I believe, coffee tasting. And I'm a lover of coffee, so I'm really looking forward to that part. Then I don't know what else is there in store for us, but we'll get to find out. Yes, I'm excited for that. It's about 40 minutes, I believe, from my place. 45 minutes. We can say it's about an hour from Nairobi, and the cost is 1,000 bob for citizens. It's different for residents and non-residents who are not residents who are not citizens, and also it's different for non-residents. So for citizens we pay 1,000 bob. For non-residents I think it's something like 3k. So yeah, it's 1,000 bob. And it's a very good activity actually to do on a Sunday or when you have your downtime. So how it happens is they have two tours that happen. One is the morning session, one is the afternoon session. So I believe the morning session starts around 9 or 10, I'm not sure, I'll confirm for you. And then the afternoon session starts at 2. We are actually late, so yeah, we are joining the afternoon group. And yeah, basically that's it. So I guess let's go in then. Let's go in then.
I got blessings falling on me. I got weapons, need no army. That like Tetris, you don't know me. That my fatty, you don't know me. Okay, hey now, it's a new kid on the playground. So many bags on me, you would've thought I was a spray ground. Now they know I don't play around. I can hear what you're saying now. I just doubled up my flight miles. Coast to coast, no they ain't in town. I get rich, watch, then
I've heard a lot about Fairview Coffee. I don't have a coffee lover. So
I'm a coffee lover, so it feels good here.
So please join me as we walk to the farm. What was going through in your mind, like every time when you drink coffee, where does it come from? Or how does it look like
So,
in your mind?
how does it look like? Well, so when I buy coffee, I usually have a look where the coffee is from, and I visited a few coffee farms in Colombia, for instance. And I know that, for instance, Ethiopian coffee is good, but I have never seen really like the Kenyan
I
coffee.
never got the experience of getting to taste Kenya. So today she's going to change the view. By the end of the tour, he is going to change the view. So
Amazing.
thank you.
Sorry, amazing. You are two drinkers.
Yeah, we have come. They are good coffee lovers.
Period.
We have started to take coffee because we have the policies now. They have been abolished, so you can add value to your coffee. You can do anything with your coffee plantation, unlike then in the back page. And then there's so many art cafes, yeah, where people can join and drink coffee so much.
Why was it forbidden to add value? Was it like due to the British influence?
Yes.
Or? Okay. So they wanted to add the value outside, right?
Yes, and the best quality always exported.
Yeah.
So that was the thing. So welcome to Coffee Farm. This is our farm here. It is 44 hectare land.
and has been subdivided into blocks, but you're just going to cover a section of it. This farm here, it's 100-acre land, and then this farm here, it was established back in 1909 by a European lady by the name Evelyn Poy. But it's about 4 decades since this farm it's being owned by a Kenyan citizen by the name Mr. Oliver Kibinge.
But the owner is local. Good.
A Kenyan citizen who was
That's
formerly a Kenyan ambassador to the United States. So at least this farm is being owned by a Kenyan citizen.
1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just
They can stay on the farm. It's a long-term plan. Yeah? Did you know that? I didn't know. Neat knew that. Develop those characteristics. And like that coffee that is always expressed by the sun, where it gets stressed. So when it is stressed, it just rises. But with that coffee that is under shade, that is why you find it takes the whole time to develop. That is why you can say that uniqueness, because we have been blessed with good things. Hot, cold. Hot, cold. It is not throughout that it's way hot. We have clouds that keep on providing that shit. So making Arabica now. Why is the researchers, the farmers who used to plant Arabica recently complained of it being infested by coffee berry disease and coffee leaf black. Like that, those two diseases love SSDs. So when they came up with Rural 11, they came to curb that coffee. It's very old, but the other branches they're growing because you keep on changing the cycle of the branches. So you cut this one if it's not productive, and then if it is not facing, because each and every branch need to get direct sunlight. So if there is any branch that is covering another one, we do the pruning, and then we keep on changing, because remember we need this stem for the next 5-6 years. So that is why you keep on cutting it, and that is why you have more bushes. That is what it really determines the production for the next year. So if you do your pruning wrongly, then expect low coffee results.
I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars out.
So now we are on assignment to pick ripe coffees. So the red ones apparently are the ones that are ripe. I was seeing one here. Okay, here is one that is ripe. This is a ripe one. Let me get another one.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in you.
We went to the shamba to choose, and that is why we say we pick coffee selectively, picking coffee. So the first thing that you want to pick the coffee is called hand sorting. So remember, as you are picking coffee, you pick leaves, you pick berries. That is what you have to do the sorting. So once you do the sorting, and because the machine cannot hold all the cherries, there is a tank that was constructed up above.
Words got deep, it's like a swamp. Making me
So
better,
if
you
you are
out of the
able to
pepper.
climb, let's have a look at that cherry
Big step
paper.
on chasing a cheddar. All of these women, they not on your level. You like a mix of business and pleasure. You want nobody giving seen a
So this is what we call a cherry paper. So their cherries are being pulled here as they're flowing in small batches, small quantities. Falls from the cherry hookah It comes in this blue chamber here, where the good quality coffee sits. A low quality coffee will float. So there is washing and there is weighing. Now when the low quality floats, it will come all the way to this pulping machine here. And the heavy ones, they are going to be pumped through those 2 elevators to the other side for pulping purpose. So inside the factory, what is happening? Washing, grading of the cherries, and pulping. And pulping is the separation of the parchment and the skin outside. Now, I want to see your good quality coffee.
Good quality coffee will sink, bad one will float.
You help the skin out. So this is what you call.
Do you think this is the final one? Do you think this is the one that you roast?
I love that. So this one here, for efficient and effective, we do a process called fermentation. Now fermentation, we want to remove this limey substance here. That is why we are fermenting outside on those tanks that we can see. So on the side of the light and the side of the dark. The heat is the same and the properties of the drug is the same. That we get it.
Definitely light.
Really flat. It is not sour. And people love taking coffee because of that sourness, and some take coffee because of that bitterness. So with the honey, it's way sweet. So for those people who don't love strong things, this medium roast for honey coffee can do it better. Now this is what we call the dark roast. The body, it's so thick, caffeine levels, they're so low. And then with the dark roast, it's it has the chocolatey flavors when you drink it. Now, this is what we call a round cup, medium roast, washed. And that is why when you taste it, it has a very sharp acidity. With dark roast, the acidity levels, they're way down. Another last one, the light roast. It's an underdeveloped cup of coffee. It always tastes, people say that it tastes like tea. The acidity levels, they're way sharp. It has a nice aroma, but the body, it's way watery. That is why people say it's tea, more like tea, because they want something that is thick. And that's why you find either people take medium roast or dark roast. Okay, so everything that you have done, that is how we have come into the conclusion from the farm, how coffee is produced, how coffee is processed, roasted until the final cup. So this is how we talk about the good quality coffee. With the low quality coffee, I don't know how to describe it because I have not come into contact with it. But anyone who have come into contact with it, they will really explain. But most of the instant coffee, you cannot compare it with the good quality coffee. So do you have any question?
Hi, let's go.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, but again, away feels like it's been a freaking...
Hey guys, so now we are at the end of the tour, which is now the tasting. So let's do this. I'm actually ready to get a sip. Yeah, it's really good. I put some milk in mine and sugar, and they gave us like some cookies to have with. So this is the last step of the tour. The whole tour takes about 2 hours. We started at 2. It's now 4 p.m. So yeah, I feel like it really gives value for your money because it's only 1,000 bob. Yeah, and another thing I've learned is that they don't sell their coffee commercially at all. So usually if you come here, you do a tour, you buy from here, or you make an order. You will not see Fairview coffee in your supermarket or a shop. Yeah, so it's really not commercialized at all. Anyway, yeah, so let me sit down and have this cup of coffee.